I'm Mike Roberts with Rite Way Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing, and this is your Educational Minute. So I'm going to check the pressure on this house. The pressure, anything above 80 PSI is against code. Anything above 75 typically starts to void warranties with water using appliances, dishwashers, washing machines, and things like that. So you get a gauge, hook it up to any hose bib. If you don't have one in the front, you can go in the back and you can hook it up. So this pressure is just under 80 PSI. I would recommend putting a pressure regulating valve on this house. You can go to any hardware store, and for under $20 you can get this gauge. This is called a lazy hand gauge. It has this red hand that spins freely, and you put it right on the black hand. Leave this open, leave it on overnight, and if your pressure spikes, and it will, it'll tell you what it spiked up to. And the spikes are what's critically important to minimize on your house and your plumbing system. That's actually what creates leaks, is spikes in the system. So go to a home center, get yourself a pressure gauge, check your pressure. If you have any questions or need assistance, give us a call. I'm Mike Roberts, Rite Way Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing, and this has been your Educational Minute.